Hey, what sort of videographer asks you just before she presses the button, hey, do you want to put some makeup on? No. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Scoop School, broadcasting from St. Louis, Missouri, crossroads of the West, all the way around this great country of ours. A lot of international guests tuning into the Scoop School sessions. It's great to have you here. We do want to thank our episode sponsor, which is Classic Mix, based out of Neenah, Wisconsin. Pat Galloway, there's Ted Galloway, there's all sorts of Galloways, and there's Hank Galloway. Well, it's Hank Sweeney, but he wishes he was a Galloway. Makers of sweetened condensed milk, frozen custard mix, sorbet mix, premium ice cream mix, soft serve mix. The link is down below. You tell them that I said hello when you're chit-chatting with them. Thank you for your episode sponsorship. Now, I don't know whether you've noticed a trend lately in a lot of fast food and fast service, casual restaurants, quick service restaurants, particularly in the drive-thru, a phrase that just keeps coming back. And once I say it, you'll probably go, oh yeah, I do remember that being said. It's a phrase that basically goes like this. What else can we get for you today? What else can we get for you today? What else can we get for you today? Now, the ingenious nature of what else can we get for you today is it starts to trigger this process of, well, I've already ordered 2 Big Macs, a quarter pounder, a fillet of fish, 3 medium fries, and a chocolate shake. But what else can they get for me today? And then you start looking around the car saying, do we need anything else? Oh yeah, throw me in one of those cookies. It's a really unique way of upselling, a very simple way of upselling, rather than tying the order off with a bow and saying, well, thank you, that's $2.50, see you at the next window. It used to be used more predominantly in the ice cream industry with those ice cream shops that were actually selling by weight. So what would happen was a place that would sell by weight, and I'm not talking about frozen yogurt weight, I'm talking about premium ice cream weight. You don't see too many stores doing it anymore. You would basically scoop what you would determine to be a regular scoop, and then you would say, is this enough or would you like some more? And again, because there was no cap on the portion control, you might say, well, that's enough, or, oh, well, yeah, throw another scoop on there. Well, this is kind of like the fast food version of that. What else can I get for you today? Starbucks is saying it, McDonald's is saying it, Chick-fil-A is saying it, Wendy's is saying it, and it seems to be a statement that is used to conjure up thoughts of, well, maybe we do need more. So I would suggest, as very simple a principle as it is, to start teaching your employees to say, what else can we get for you today? What else can we make for you today? What else can we get for your family today? And again, it's one of those things where it opens up the door for an upsell or a further sale to what they've already ordered. Now, in order to, if you are a consumer and you're through the Starbucks drive-thru and you've already ordered $78 worth of drinks, you may say, as I often do, how about a 10% discount? Or how about a free lemon loaf? And that kind of closes the conversation pretty quickly. So as a consumer, obviously you get to say, you know, nothing else, thanks very much. But as a store owner and as an employee, you are leaving the door open, the window open for more sales. And you'd be surprised at how much that works. You know, if the big boys do it, if the regional, national, and international chains are doing it, then there is some validation behind it. What else can I get for you today? What else can I make for you today? I challenge you in your retail store, if you've got a market, a food truck, or a brick and mortar store, train your crew just to start saying, what else can we get for you today? Or what else can we get for you this evening? And I would be interested to see whether you get increased sales. I know that hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not millions of dollars, goes into product research and customer service research when it comes to these massive chains. Use the principle, apply it in your store, reap the benefits. That's all we have. Very simple video today, very quick one. Again, thank you to Classic Mix. And look, if you have any little marketing tips, things that work for you, leave them in the comment. We'd love to give you some acknowledgement here on these sessions and use it to help other people. Thanks for scooping. Hey, thanks for scooping. Thanks for tuning in. And by the way, while you're here, why don't you just click on the subscribe button, whooshing, over here. Look at this video down here, whooshing, and come on into Scoop School on this red button, whooshing. Keep on scooping. See you in the next video.